Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risma Nur Sapitri. Uh, but everyone usually call me Cima. I was born in small village in West Java on Oktober 2007. Oktober 22 2007. I come a simple family, but my parents always told me something very important: to be brave, to dream big, and to never give easily. Since I was a little girl, I have always been curious and full of dreams. My childhood was simple but filled with warmth and love. I still remember the days when I went to elementary school, wearing my simple uniform, carrying a bag full of books, and bringing friends from home prepared by my mother. Every morning I went to school with my friends, laughing, talking, and dreaming about who we wanted to be in the future. In elementary school, I learned the basics of life: how to write, read, and count. With more importantly, how to care for others. Return was my favorite time, when I could run around like Feli and share my lunch with friends. Those were simple moments, but they saved whole, and today they told me home to become fighting and grateful. When I entered junior high school, everything started to change. I met my friends, visit hard lessons, and began to understand that life is not always easy. There were times when I felt lost and uniform, especially when my grades didn't all I expect. Something I ever need to guide, but slowly I realized that the failure is not the end, it's just a reminder that I need to harder. Junior high school was also the time when I started to know myself better. I discovered a way wanted to aside. I was easy, but it was the beginning of my journey of self-discovery. The camp senior high school, very full of story, laughter, and challenge. The lesson become more difficult, but enjoy learning new things. I meet amazing enjoy learning. Learning a very valid Scott every moment in high school. High school moment in high school felt meaningful. High school was also the time when I began to think seriously about my future. I dreamed of entering a state university. It was my big goal. I studied hard, joining Excel lesson, and spent nights preparing for exams. I prepared a lot and believed in me that I could make it. But the result came out. My name was 3. I went achieved that moment broke my heart. I remember starting the screen silence, no believing what I saw. Tears rolled down my face. I felt so disappointed, so lost, and even as a man, I started asking myself, why? I'm not good enough, did not try hard enough. It was one of the lowest moments in my life. Seeing my friends celebrating their success while I was still struggling with. disappointment made me feel even small. For a while, I devoted social media and became the type of blood collected out. I thought my dreams were over. The time passed and I began to understand something. Sometimes gold toys give us what's me one because he's preferring something better. I realized the failure does mean I am not good now. It just means I have a different phase. After taking some time to reflect and calm my heart, I decided to continue my study at Pamulang University, majoring in tax accounting. Honestly, I was nervous at first. I was afraid people will think I failed just because I didn't get into the university. But as time went on, I started to see things differently. At Pamulang University, I felt now home. I met instructors, skin classmates, and a sportive learning environment. I joined now active ball friendship and discovered new strength with myself. I will use study, but by how much effort and passion you put into what you do. Now I'm proud of how I am and how far I like come. My journey has not been easy, but it has made me stronger, wiser, and more independent. I all learned to accept very challenge as part of the process. I learned that feeling down is not a fair reason to get up. From elementary school, until now, every chapter of my life has taught me something valuable. From my childhood, I learned to dream. From high school, I learned to dream. From high school, I learned to be strong. And from university, I am learning to believe that everything happens for a reason. Sometimes the fate we invent is not the one. Instead, the one is still scarcing my dream. Might not have. Sometimes the fight we imagine is the one we are taking, but that's okay. Every road, every golder, every failure carries a lesson. Maybe those lessons are what truly make us grow. Today, I'm still working, still learning, still catching my dreams. I might not have attended the university I dreamed of, but I'm grateful of the journey that brought me here, because now I understand that the best things in life don't always want come easy. They come from hesitate, flyer, and fight. So here I am still reading my story step by step, with hope in my heart, a dream in my mind. I don't hold a culty where be sorry bad people as long as I never stop trying. Thank you for listening to my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you your time and attention. My all of us keep moving forward, keep loving and keep chasing your dreams, and if there were any mistakes in my word, I am really sorry. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.